So y'all back, man, to another day with your boy Flex. Whew. Don't mind my hair. I just took it out. It is 3:42 in the morning. And I'm here for an update, man. Update. So I'm here to show y'all what I've been working on, what I don't got did. I've been working. First is going to be the car. Let me show y'all the car. And we back out here. Hold on. Actually got this did this morning. Boom. Yep. Got this did this morning. Looks way better. It might be dry. Yeah, it's dry. Dry to the touch. Got the bed liner on it. I could have put another layer. I might do another coat. Might. But yeah. Try to seal up all the creases and everything, and any little ding or hole that I might have seen. Yep. Got that did. I don't know if anybody else did it. This was just something that I wanted to do. After I killed the rust on the car, I wanted to come back and do this. Yep. So, got that did. Door jambs are probably gonna be next. Yeah, door jambs are gonna be next. Go ahead and take those off. Those old hinges, old rusted, wore out hinges. Like the holes are all, if you can see that, man, the hole is oval shaped, not circle shaped. So get those off. Look at this. It's still got the new bar in it, and it still, look, still got movement. Look. Yeah, so those coming off. Those are coming off. Maybe tomorrow, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, got that did. Back inside. Cold out there. So had a delivery yesterday. I think it was yesterday. My installation came in for the floor. Pick it up. Installation came in for the floor, and my headliner came in. Like I told y'all, I still got to go pick up the headliner itself. But yeah, that came in. And driver door. Did get that did. It's got a little dust on it, but driver door did get this did. I think I'm gonna put a couple more coats on it once I get done with the other door. But I just wanted to go ahead and get this one did. Got all that did down there. Yep. Looking good. I ain't want no bull. I wanted to go ahead and get it did the right way. And this door, passenger side door, as you can tell, got my PPE. Everybody be like, man, where your PPE at? I ain't had a job in a minute, but I know what PPE is. So, using this, I went all the way down. It is a little worse than initially thought. All this about to get cut out. Got a couple pivots and holes here. So, I basically went all the way across the bottom. Couple holes here, small here, and here. And boom, by y'all. So, I think I'm about to with this spot and that spot. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out right now. Go ahead and cut it out. Excuse me. And think I'm gonna put some more of the rust dissolver on the whole thing, because I want to make sure that it's all the way, you know, the rest is all the way dead, like for real. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this out, and once I cut it out, I'm gonna put some dissolver all up inside of it, and then do the same thing on the back side. That's why I didn't go ahead and prime the inside of the door, because I wanted to get this did first. So yeah, I think that's what I have to do, and that's what I'm gonna do. So y'all give me a minute. I'll turn y'all back on once that's did. So I'm back, y'all. Got me a template cut out. Traced it. Gonna cover all of that. Same thing for the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and take this hole out since I had to fill it in anyway. Got my goggles, my zig wheel, got it all switched out. About to go ahead and tackle this, and I'll cut y'all back on then. All right, so I got it cut out. Boom. Same thing over here. Let me see if I can show y'all what it really looked like in there. Yeah, so I really don't know if I have any sheet metal to fix it. Really don't know if I have any sheet metal to fix it. So either I have some and I'll turn y'all back on now, or I don't have any and turn y'all back on tomorrow. Either way, I'll let y'all know. So give me a second. Let me see what I can come across. Hopefully I got something, so I keep working. So give me a second. Hey y'all, turn y'all back on, show y'all what I'm working with. Okay, got this side did. Pretty good first time. Go back in and fill it, make it all flat and flush and everything. So, but the rest is gone. This side I'm working with now. About to get ready to grind it down and go over it again if I see any pinholes or anything. Yep. Going pretty smoothly as planned. So I'll cut y'all back on when I got it all done and filled in. Okay, time is now 6:54 in the morning. Yes, I did pull an all-nighter. I do that a lot. This is where I'm at so far. No, it's not done. But you can tell that I fixed my problem. So right now, I'm about to get ready to block it. Yep, about to get ready to block it. Think I'm gonna put a little guide coat on it. Make sure everything's straight. Make sure everything is even. Yep. And I'll cut y'all back on once I do that. I'll let y'all see the guide coat. Just give me a second. Okay, so I got my flat back spray paint. Just gonna see. Just throw a little bit on there. And that is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. So what we shooting for here is, once I start blocking it, I was gonna use my big block. See, but with this big block, it's gonna require both hands, and I'm on a really flimsy table. So this is probably not gonna work. So I'll probably be using my small block, which I can still get it did, but I really want to use the big one. So I'll let y'all know it when I use. Just give me a second. Back to what I was saying. What we're shooting for is, once I sand it, it's gonna take the guide coat off the top. So any low areas is still gonna have paint. So I need everything to be one solid color. I don't need to see any, any spray paint. Then I'll know everything is even. So give me a second and I'll show y'all what it's supposed to look like. 8:34, y'all. After hours and hours, feel like of sanding, I added more, sanded some more, added some more, whatever. Finally got it smooth. I actually just put some more guide coat on it and went over it again. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Use my blocks, big one and small one. Now I just gotta do the other 66%. See, this one I haven't clear. Not. Let me see if I can do one spot while I got y'all. Let's see. See, that's a low area. Gotta get all that down, get like that. Get what I'm saying? All right, everywhere you see black at is a low area. So let me finish hitting this and I'll turn y'all back on. All right, y'all. So got this whole bottom piece done. I was gonna prime it, but I'm gonna wait. I see something that I wanna fix. If you notice, this is a bend. I had to fix it right here, which is perfect now. But all the way over here, let's see if you can see it in the camera. You see it missing. It drops out and then comes back in. So I'm gonna have to fix that, and I want to get it did. I want that in before I prime it. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. Turn this into another video. I'm about to go lay it down. Get a nap in. It is 8:52 a.m. So yeah, I'm gonna go get a nap in, and I'll turn y'all back on to continue this video.